Old exhaust, new exhaust.
Alright guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Jake, this is Carl, camera in his hand. This is Octane Freaks. On this channel we will bring you along with us on our journey to building our cars. And this is my first time showing my 2000 Mustang GT. I've had it for about 7-8 years now. I've done minor things to it. It's got a SR Performance cold air intake, Steeda Triac short throw shifter, Mac Performance off-road H-pipe, connected to a MagnaFlow MagnaPack exhaust, 2.5-inch piping to 3.5-inch tips, FR 500 wheels, 295 in the back, 275 up front. Other than that, it's pretty much bones. Oh, it's tuned by Bama Performance with a SCT XF4, no X3 SF, whatever, an SCT tuner. It's an old one. I've had it for about 5-6 years. But it's tuned on 91. I had a dynoed 2 years ago, and it was putting down 248 horse to the wheels and 289 foot-pounds of torque, which is pretty respectable since these things are stock 220 to the wheels from the factory. Obviously, mock grill, delete kit, chin spoiler. I am, however, going to redo the entire build pretty much. Well, here's what the exhaust sounds like. I really enjoy it. It is loud, but at cruising speeds about 70-75, it doesn't drone or anything with the H-pipe. X-pipes, they drone a little bit more. But it's all around a good sound, in my opinion. I'm also, the only reason why I'm upgrading to 3-inch is I kind of want it louder, and it's going to be forced induction someday, so that'll help that portion of it.
How many RPM is your rev limiter set to?
About 3,800 RPMs, which is a tad bit high, but she spins no matter what. Tires are bald.
Alright, so should we get to the Corvette now?
Yep.
Alright.
It's the Billy Bolt Bullet exhaust. We're going to do this on the ground with hand tools like everybody else would probably do it. I mean, we could do it at my shop where I work, but we'll stick with being primitive and show everybody how we're going to do it. We purchased a set of wrenches that we would like to promote to people. If you're interested, we'll put a link in the description.
Alright, so now we're going to unbox the beautiful exhaust. Hopefully it's beautiful. That is some nice polished stainless. And this is what, stainless 304?
I believe so,
Or
yeah.
the 309. I can't remember. It's actually the better of the two, I believe. Not sure what's in there. Got hardware here. Gaskets. Stickers.
And as you guys can tell, this is an axle back system. It is not a full cat back system.
Alright. Well, that looks simple enough. Let me know when you're done, Jake.
Ha, you're so funny. As you can see, that is definitely not factory exhaust, even though it has factory looking tips on it.
Alright, so if I'm doing this, that means you're the tool bitch.
Yeah.
How long has it been since you've been the tool bitch? I think you're about 15.
Yeah.
I stopped working on cars because I sweat too much. Get too much crap in my eyes.
He stopped working on cars because somebody became smarter than him.
Yeah, I taught him everything he knew. New.
Past tense.
Yeah. Long time ago. This is gonna be really hot right now too.
Yeah. Have fun.
Yeah. Alright, so this is not going to be the same on everybody's, because this is aftermarket exhaust, but start at the rear, work your way back, or forward I suppose. I'm recording now. Yeah, I'm rolling. This one's bent. Number 2 piece of junk. Alright, now these next ones are 15 millimeter. From the X pipe to the axle back.
And these are threaded into the factory exhaust pipe, so you don't have nuts on the back side either. And also to aid in the disassemble is you can spray everything with some PB blasters, some core oil if you got it.
I prefer PB. I've had great luck with it. I love that stuff. Jacob, can you get me some more?
We're doing all this without any penetrating oil because we've had this exhaust off once before.
Yeah.
Just recently too, a couple weeks ago. And then once you get it apart, you just feed it right through everything, and just like that.
And do it when it's cooled down.
Hot.
Old exhaust, new exhaust. Old exhaust,
Crappy.
new exhaust.
Eddie.
Carl's installing the first pipe. Just feed it over the axle nice and smooth, and she'll slide right in.
Theoretically. Is there a correct way for these gaskets or no?
No. And the nice thing about these pipes, correct me if I'm wrong, Carl, but they're not slotted in any way. So
Correct.
once you put them on and tighten them down, that's how they're going to line up. And
Yeah, there's no adjustment on these like there was on the set we took off. Which I don't know if that's good or bad.
I guess that would all depend on your factory piping, if it was straight or had a little tweak to it, or. But Billy Boat is a pretty reputable exhaust manufacturer, so for Corvettes. I think they make other things, Camaros and Challengers and stuff. So I know they don't make anything for my New Edge Mustang though. Second pipe going on. It's always a plus too that Corvettes are easy to work on.
They kind of are so far.
Well, with exhaust at least.
Yeah.
Engine
There's actually
work.
quite a bit of room under the hood on these things too.
Engine work isn't all that greatest because you have to pull a whole subframe. But that's like any modern car nowadays.
Just so you know, we swung the sway bar out of the way, and it popped right in for us.
That's a sweet looking exhaust the way it is.
I know, we should just leave it.
We should put just dumb pipes right there.
Yep.
Probably doesn't help that you're on the lower portion of the hanger.
What do you mean? Oh, there's another one up there? God damn it. Son of a bitch!
You're your own magician, Carl.
I know. There you go.
Get it, girl.
Hey. That one doesn't have shit for playing it.
Yeah, the passenger side.
Huh?
You were saying you need a new passenger side
Yeah.
hanger.
I wonder if we had it in the wrong slot before, and that's why there was so much play in it.
Look at that shiny tip. Look at that. Baller.
Oh, mine's so much throatier.